Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. So I'm in the middle of getting my tools out. Today we are installing a new steering wheel in the WRX. If you read the title and you saw the thumbnail and you're watching the video, then you know that. So first things first, we gotta unlock the car and we gotta take out the battery because I don't want the airbag to explode in my face while I'm working on it. It is quite windy out here. Jeez. Battery is unplugged. I'm gonna come in here and just step on the brake to make sure there's no power at all. We can go ahead and get started. Airbag here, no power, so it's not gonna blow up. Now we just gotta get this 17 mil bolt that's in the middle here. That was that easy. Are you kidding me? There we go. Oh, clock spring, don't move. I guess we're leaving cruise control out for now, but I might reinstall it at another point in time. Besides, cruise control is overrated. This is the hub that's going on the car, so that's that. And then this is the wheel I got. It's a Momo wheel, so just like the stock one's Momo. I like the feel of it, the look of it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And it also has an NRG quick release hub adapter as well, so that's also a thing. Okay, now it's in this. There we go. And we'll just put the screw back on. So to make sure this looks like the right angle. It looks like it to me. So now we'll just pop this off. Shut up! Now I'm just gonna tighten this nut in the middle. Set the steering wheel off to the side. One. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now this should just like that. It does sit a little bit closer to me, but that's fine. So if I turn it this way, does it point straight at me? So let's just put everything back together, aka the battery. Let's plug in the battery and see if the horn works. Battery is put back in. Now I'm just gonna test it out. Nope. Okay, so I've decided today to, instead of showing you the final product at my house, in my driveway, like I would normally do, I've come out to sort of this area, right by a highway there, and some like lovely landscape here, and some houses over there, to show you the car. Just to kind of change it up a little bit. Plus, this is actually a super nice place to take pictures, especially during the sunset. So I've been running a little bit, and I'm not very fit, so I'm gonna be breathing heavy a little bit. You may also be wondering, wouldn't it be logical to shut the car off so you can hear me better when I talk? The answer is yes, but I had a lovely surprise of coming outside to a dead battery today. So we are going to be keeping the car running, so I don't have to use up the last 15% of my energy to push the car to get it to start. Here is the lovely Momo wheel that we have installed. There's also the booster cables I used. I got the steering angle correct. It was angled pretty much perfectly straight, so there's no worries about it doing anything like that. Yesterday I also redid some of the wiring, so the horn now works. You know, when I push it, I can, yeah. So anyway, we have a functioning horn. Obviously, the airbag light is on because why wouldn't it? I mean, goddamn, this is a nice looking car. We are rubbing a little bit here, but this is to be expected when your ground clearance is pretty much nothing. Or ground clearance, wheel gap is pretty much nothing. So I'm just gonna peel this off actually, or not. I can leave it on there for now. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.